Very cool.
And equipment, of course. Update 4 had some pretty nice equipment. The Zipline tool, which was kind of a weird idea that just happened along the way, and which was just thrown into the game.
I think it was Stefan, right? I think Stefan.
I'm
Did
pretty sure.
Stefan
Yeah,
make it?
pretty sure. Like this was prototyped, and like on like at the sideline, Stefan made this and got it like working.
Yeah. He does that.
Yeah.
That's
He
kind
does
of the thing
that.
he does. He kind of just does that.
I mean, yeah, goes rogue and just like implements.
There's like a
something.
couple more things that he's kind of done.
Yeah.
He just kind of did it.
Yeah, a couple of our cool features in the game are just people just do it.
Yeah.
It just that sounds crazy. Yeah, right. Let's just do it. Whatever. And this is one of those.
It's
like
funny.
The Zipline tool.
This is the first time I've realized there's a button on the zipline there.
Oh yeah.
That opens the thing. Because the hand like blocks it in the game, so you don't really see the button. You just see the effect of it.
Yeah, you see it a little bit on the side. We the original plan was to make it a lot more prominent, but of course, when you then put it into first person, sometimes it gets covered, but it is there. So yeah, it was one of the basic ideas, and as you can see in the top and in the bottom, we based it on some of the existing equipment because we always look into what we have, which is also pretty regular thing when you do art direction. It's like, okay, we need new tools. What tools do we have? What do they look like, and what's the logic behind it? What's the engineering behind it? And there's also the reason why this looks a little bit more jury-rigged. It looks a little bit more put together and bolted together. Is that this is not official Fixit sanctioned equipment.
Oh.
This is essentially what you put together yourself using the newly discovered Caterium. That's why it has a Caterium spool. So this is essentially the pioneer thinking, well, I'll just use a little bit of my off time to create a
Creative time.
weird tool.
Creative time in the game. Yeah.
Creative time.
You're using creative time. Yeah.
Yeah. Every second Friday, you can take some time to make whatever you want.
Is the gaffer tape detail in the game? I can't remember.
It looks different. It looks different now because at some point we changed it because another thing, consistency. We decided not to use like silver gaffer tape because on the Nobelisk there is some Fixit branded adhesive tape.
Right.
So Fixit would probably not issue to Pioneers 2 different types of gaffer tape.
Gotcha.
So that's the fun details. That
gotta get the lore right, guys.
That's a very interesting detail. Yeah. That's definitely not like communicated in the game in any way, apart from like.
No. It's you can pick up on that if you look into it, and if you don't care about it, that's also fine. But yeah, it's part of our job to look into that, and yeah,
nice.
try to polish that.